guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 2 Thanksgiving slimes. Because Thanksgiving is right around the corner, I thought it would be really fun to make some Thanksgiving slime. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Just so you guys know, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so the first Thanksgiving slime we are going to be making is a really soft orange butter slime. First, I'm going to add my desired amount of white glue into the bowl. Now to make our slime nice and soft, I'm going to go ahead and add some shaving cream. Make sure not to add more shaving cream than glue. Now to give our slime a fun Thanksgiving color, I went ahead and added a little bit of orange food coloring. Well, actually I added a lot because I wanted the color to be pretty dark, but you can add as much as you want. Just for fun, I went ahead and added some foaming hand soap. I really like adding this into the slime because it makes really nice bubble pops. Now it's time to activate the slime. If you want my activator recipe, it will be in the description box down below. Remember to add this slowly, we do not want a stiff slime. When it gets to this consistency, you can go ahead and take it out and work it with your hands. To give this slime a nice buttery texture, I'm going to go ahead and add a brick of Xoxo clay. Now for the finishing touch, I went ahead and added these really cute Thanksgiving confettis from Amazon. I'll be sure to leave a link down below in case you guys are interested. I loved adding this in the slime. I just think it looked really cute and it was really Thanksgiving-y. I don't even know if that's a word, but we're just gonna go for it. So here is the Thanksgiving butter slime all completed. This slime turned out so cute and I had a ton of fun playing with it. You guys, this slime was so huge I had to use almost 3 containers to store it. The last and final slime we are going to be making is this really gorgeous clear slime with a bunch of glitter and confetti. First, add your desired amount of clear glue into the bowl. Now to give the slime some fun color, I'm going to go ahead and add some red food coloring. Now to make the slime nice and sparkly, I'm going to go ahead and add some silver fine glitter. I also added some gold glitter as well. This is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and add some water to our glue mixture. This is going to make the slime extra stretchy. To give our slime some fun extra color, I went ahead and added these really cute Thanksgiving leaves. These confettis came in the same packaging as the turkey ones we used earlier. Now it's time to activate the slime, and again, if you want my activator recipe, it will be in the description box down below. Remember to add this slowly, we do not want a stiff slime. When it gets to this consistency, you can go ahead and take it out and work it with your hands. It may be sticky at first, but the more you knead it, the better it will be. So here is the Thanksgiving clear slime all completed. This slime was so gorgeous, it was so much fun to play with, and it made really nice bubble pops. You guys, I had so much fun adding the little confettis into the slime. It was just so much fun and festive. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below which slime was your favorite. And again, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I do have an Instagram, so if you guys would like to check that out, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Bye! See you guys next week!